let that be true. Come and remove your mouth. Yeah. Who wants some now, baby? You wanna. Your mother they forgot. You wanna. Talking about Kosa. You wanna. Come and remove your mouth. You wanna. Who wants some now, baby? You wanna. Your mother they forgot. You wanna. Talking about Kosa. You wanna. Come and remove your mouth.
I was 35 minutes after 8. And Ras was saying, "Will be you are no." And someone would draw cost you on my moi. A deacon was here. But your back can you near them by a cassa with facts. Because in some of the fire, why you caught near the Niako Shebi. And yes, yati, there be Yadianiko Shebi. Put you, my dear, so maybe some cassafa, a coin. I would draw, maybe Ansana Media Covier, I will come Barry Hodian. That Yane, come and remove your mouth. Amoa, a helmopano, a hyena, but a more use to quino, and a helm more. A boy was out quite on fast until they made back and some dear cranny. I can't watch me. But then I make a video, China member, and put them over. After my back, I was so dear mouth. Abusia, Ghana and Kwana. Because Ghana, I mean, members, I say Africa, other countries, my cop. But Ghana, you may mind, until a crossway was a maker, near to me corrected. Other countries, so among common dear. It's your better toy. A choir, ya de car, namso. A barber yiri, a many cars. A barber yiri, a cars, a kogu gatem. A barber yiri, a manipankwa. Mr. T. F. of Anko Barrier. Nene mebo bokwan kwanya ya minim se engineers are ya kwano se contract na beba feasibility studies any consultant aye form no me patwa anyem bia ade na mo ye de betop no so ansana ya start the execution of contract anya project management abaso me ye kakra gimpa da roma enti yanim there was ye right from initiation till some project here we now pay. Into your name stages of a project. Your name say in case a force majeure be crab by your name say a choir your first one. You to me making sure at the end of the day project no you executing no yeah. But you be your coin. Na say ya coin a choir you see ya no. Ya na issue better coin so. Na aba many cars. Na se nkrofo twa kwan gise ye de oma sha kire Afanko Barrier boys abona baba we so na beti we aso ne saha na guy bako ede maame na mienu ato ne konso because ye pese maame cross adan ye ho sa because car omode ba car na ba be kan suonum wutima abuai eyayem hihye I was saying to me, see, because what team no one say ye na sensuo no yeah because sensuo no to e yira na mene kai ya wakaka mu na nsuo afa no wawu hwane ya enti I was say boys ababa kede ya so ni mu agigiri no ya de ne cross keke aden enti the so-called expert engineers are more chroma the experts are your name bibia samba your frame oh we should have done it like this and this time we should have done and you be a consultation no ya na ministries mo ya ne saying in aborting the contract who are the so-called experts or motinasi crack their brain no maka say ahano because of drainage when yenye ni say because of gutter we yenye ni say in so to betumi no ya yentumi nye bia na ye fear Fanko Barrier ene na kwa champomeka hansone ko de no ebuei eno kra de ya ka ho asem sa mekai nsuo bi etoye mekai na I think and this time fan crofo kunwamo mekai mai eyiri ye fan crofo mekai then former president Mahama oko ho na oko declare say 600 million bi we ya to why ye de baba ye drainage man ekosi saying Amampeni Kufuor Breso, beautification of the capital city, the Lake Jake, Otanka Obetebe Lamte or no. Modernization. Any modernizing Accra. Car so nyam potem on the highway. That's your taho. Fast forward, ye movie. Bra. Ghana Standards Authority traffic light. Emmanuel Eye Clinic. Efiwa, would they call Oponglo? Mention to, Sakwino. Na ejiri. Street light in Pony one wehu. And to one manajua would yani say, uko jare. Ubewa, yakunipa. And no. And ya didn't for fasibo kromha. A kwanya ya si aye. Ya no. Na minim. Anyambian penny for mon fasubi. And I'm the ensure to a much chain, baby. I want sana. Mosi Makofi. Yanim one use mo faso da. Yanim one use mo faso da. From Wisconsin, Ekwakosi Agbogba police station. Small bridge, small. Me say, small bridge. Ewoho. SC2 ya mekai. Ya beya election. Politics kunye assembly wo bem and you have no right to do it. As if see about constructed and da hono. Small bridge. Sa small bridge na e wo Flowers Johnson no e hope e no koshe. To the beya ye be sili na ka etimi afaso. Productive hours. And I no pe koshe traffic achi wo ho. Yes animu da ho but obi adru was so slow down. Ensure eto ye no. Kokoshe dia yes bridge no. And we do this to ourselves. And Jane Bibia Mentana, young Concoshe. Central Focus, a coin my yes, young Concoshe, exactly what is wrong with the road. There be Yaya crying. And a former Pramon Fasimon pass here, dear Yaya. Tana Mokachre. Fast forward. Because, is a medu, tema runabout. I mean, Cockacra. The traveling station never where me call. Akakra medu Gulf City boy zemekai assembly ni a hona sam no walk from Greco traffic ye ko boom ye ko pram ye ko do wenya ye ko Central University ye ko adwuma o could ba ko atwa me yam ade ba ko atwa me yam government upon government and MPP nko NDC ka ho bi because my muna mo buso I didn't say about election now. No more pepper, mo do say Ghana for sabi. Ye did ya no mon kwan. Ye be election and ye who shortcut na who do kroma. And ye potem ye beba ni a cat sword ye asabo form ye be ye ni e wura ya cat sword ye asabo form ni ye wura ni the caterpillar ba ko be si ye ni a bonsem na nanoma info ni a bonkonya ni a bonsem. After election, as a chiake, now I'm going to say day when I have, but dead during shortcutting would declare the beer fans in if we have the fans already. So what happened to the fans after election? The vanishing fee confessing him. It says, "Can I hear that?" Into a Jumanian to me. Is that it? Me say, South Road that make come him. If Tema Aflawu Road, October last year, 2020. It was election year. His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, one I will call it the shortcutting and the pomp and pageantry. And Nijia ba, my goodness. And Nijia, Yenina, your boy Yanseme Radi. Obi Kwajima, Odu late. COVID abraso. Yes, you Brejuma. Traffic into Odu 11, Odu Yane Krata Adaho. The boss is a bo. Me tolerate this lateness. Because throughout the week, one matena 11 boss misreu when him traffic situation or say there be and your traffic situation me foul simuntem awrade until ye could do 11 p.m. near sorry 2 a.m. because of traffic. Yet there are only 4 hours because of traffic. Near sorry 2 a.m. A jam kwalaho na she because ye BT traffic. Number Kawonka, nanu obi BT traffic wo ho, okada so no kotnai when do office kunkuren. When do because I am sincere open tem okada yentem mami do adwuma e was me clock in and sana yentemo grana when do traffic nti OBT aden ye ho sa. Why are we doing this to ourselves? I'm penny construction e be fi ase da ben. Well, simple question we offer Sibisa. Because contractors or minim said they are no constructing road to ease traffic or minim said you started that ben. Where are the machines? Aye because you are started. Where are they? Abusia mame kwa humara so. Na me twitwen komo. Utie me na no pay what traffic ni mo a. Ya ba twitwen komo so ne so mame ya ha ya dom 106.3. Isaac Newton Tete, a assembly member for Saki electoral area. And then twitwen komo. Isaac asem dwen kan.
Na. Asem dwen kan so.
Omo nim Saki electoral area na ya hefa.
So Dina Kasa in Mulechako electoral area and Saki Akoya said the capital town and a capital city. And no bought CFC Michelle 5 at the call Bediaku top 10. A son dining home at the far, baby are really far at the Ghost City. I can boutique hall, every Mukaka, call. Call McBaron, and I say Titi Brothers outside now. Nenya account in a Saki lecture area, another in Michako lecture area.
And I want your situation at the saying, and Rami Pahona, in fact, get Isaac Odia Casa, Casamami, we enough a minute.
They are Casanka, me and Casamitias in after means. And yes, they are living you, but me share. On my the free in the dia you do. Any the we are yen penny boy ye real asher woman. Say on Bana said because on my yes, memuna ye be ye Benjamin just say you would get to a man Ghana. Did the real muy ye. Now, mean say yen to Fijao. What a quite worry. I said want number you because a quite yet. And to offer a card of Pentem Ako. Now, when you say a mrensu Ayesika, and to say, oh, Quajuma, if I say, oh, free pram air Quajuma Tama. Now, 50 bear 6. Obe do a Jumemo bear 12. Aden, because of traffic situation. Now, when why now, Corona Bay, I couldn't want you some access routes, Bima, I bet now, bois. Now, at me, easy traffic people on the main stretch. Openi, Mamin Show attending. A year, 12th of August last year, a year, Highways, Ghana Highways Authority, bring a letter. Say, Omu invite all the stakeholders. Say, Omumba ebe construct the aim say it will ease traffic on that stretch of the road.
Exactly.
Now, Omu can't share me say, or no, Omu can't share and say. A year dealing consult. In fact, that meeting, it was chaired and now facilitated by one Mr. Magnus Kwashi, out of free dealing consult. Ono say the drawing, the financing, everything of that road was in their purview. So and they told us say from October last year, now after 36 months, now Ejumana ye now I say. In fact, we're all happy. But maybe the question me say, boss, are you not sure this is for political expediency? Or can you say no? No. Okay. I have the letter here with me.
Yeah.
And they called all the stakeholders, of which I was also part. In fact, they copied the Environmental Protection Agency, Accra, they copied the Metropolitan Assembly, they copied Katamansu, they copied Ningo Pampram District Assembly. They copied the Pune Traditional Council. They also copied the Pampam Traditional Council with one compassion NGO be our Pune. And Ubisa will say, what our leaders are they taking us for granted or what? Let's not play politics with this part of the discussion because the Shapanya Yanamsu, Ufa Bumbara, Edikosi, Michel Cambridge. One road that I bet to me Abama is various traffic on both the motorway to Akosomo and then from the motorway also to the Bia Center University one. That Michelle Home car and Faso. any day if we are moving on that stretch of the road, once the cars are breaking down, taxi drivers, opening this, I won't say, taxi drivers are here no more yet at the end of the day. In fact, they tell me a lot. They spend about thousands of Ghana cedis to buy parts.
Isaac,
now, I mean, what is the problem?
As of this morning, me bacho what me afa ho.
Okay.
Hello, Isaac.
Me too, opening.
Me say anope what me afa ho.
Quite no so no.
Me bacho.
Bella family so where maybe buy fear be part document.
Asamo.
Very, very bad.
Asam.
Very, very, very bad and disgracing because Ghana almost 55 years. We are unable to fix 30 on the year. At least with the Mr. Moon mean no feed and I say aspect with the moon grade is sooner as soon more trouble. To see how the boy and can say in Sunyan toy. Open sense as a toy. Yes, I mean, except and you are in a mood.
Isaac. Oh, the Mammy Faucia because me concrofona more traffic in Msanamini or Match Trincomo. Why? Isaac Medasibe Isaac Newton, 30, now 10 in Kano. Assemblyman for Roads and Highways, Ghana Highway Authority, Tiewe Mame. Design and construction. Tema Aflawu Road, 17 kilometer phase 1, tranche 1. Service roads and interchanges. We a brochure. Me kind. Guest of honor. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic of Ghana. Date, Sunday, 25th October 2020. Last year, election year, October. Omampeni fonyi da hafu fefe, Omampeni. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Nimfonyi, President of the Republic of Ghana, Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, Nabediatre, His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Honorable Kwesi Amwako Atta, MP, Minister for Roads and Highways, and Walker, British High Commissioner. These were the guests on the 25th of October 2020. Now, me pesa me kind the program lineup. Now, time. I said 3 to 3:45. A national anthem, opening prayer, Apostle General Sam Kranchi Ankra on the year opening prayer. Nidin Waso. Welcome address. Honorable Ismail Ashite, Greater Accra Regional Minister. Remarks. Phil A. Atkinson, Managing Director, BHM. Statement by British High Commissioner, His Excellency Anne Walker. Remarks. Honorable Kwesi Amwako Atta, MP. Minister, Roads and Highways. Now you ba musical interlude. And you training to the yard pa. Yard pa. Program be said ya mbemunia sakra mbemwa nka enkoye. Keynote address. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic. Vote of thanks. Tie. Closing prayer. National anthem. Inspection of project exhibition. Short cutting. The one I'm pressing me jina. And the other one here, interactions with 2020. It was a Sunday. I don't want to believe, say, that was few days to election. 25th October. You try November, we on the 7th, you got to Aba. And I'm just a reminder, what's your young citizens? Not spectators. Until the year can you are no tomb as citizens. Yentina on the fence, Yan Chanisha High. His Excellency Mekai Pass, last year, who declared a year of roads. Most of your shortcutting. Now you're getting to election. Most. Minka all, missing most. Most of the shortcutting on roads was closer to election. Between August and December, missing most. The records are there. And I don't want to believe, say, at the time, now kati sword, no. It was because of elections. Derby. The sword is cut by His Excellency, the #1 gentleman. And your Rose Minister, maybe a later what me have a catcher say, oh, France, no, ye penny a dear. Once a man penny a yabo. Now, what can I say? Ghana for my master, me bedadamo, minye bida. Me de no crane bebu a mino. The Marcus may be a major. His Excellency, we believed in you. at the time and I will cut his sword, no. And we knew, sir, you were going to deliver. Elections are over. The year can see yesterday. Try and throne. We are waiting for you to fulfill your promise. And no keke. Say I want to beba. Man penny was second time in there. You say Yamiadum. Uja legacies. And your legacy. Legacies. Man penny will feel so quiet. You say, we had the president. His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Obre ye pass obedi president. And obaye no. Yamiadum. The okasa obeye nyina waye. Man penny free SHS ye dasi. And so ho. Ye fa kwan so anse yakoye schools. Kaweni be hwe yakwan. This year has been 10 quarter de ma yenhu. Wada Roma. Mame kwa homane so me ndi kwesi asempa. Asumdwen kan. Mame kwa homane so na fe. Rexford in Tiamoa. Chairman of the Taxi Drivers Association or work bon. Mame ne twetwe nkomo. Rexford.
Yes, sir.
Bibi abokwa no pay. Wait, into another situation it is saying.
Yamia do to see there ubeshe bada traffic na abafon kakra there. Abafon kakra.
And then police for no ho.
Police for no ho.
Until more directing the camera. I'm not a bench, so say abafon, you're not meeting our benches.
Abafon kakra no ma kakra.
No, my baby.
So no ma the police don't move yard.
Police for ne baon. Ah, moye. Asemo. Na me be ye wan kakra. Omba be ye kwan ma ho to aba. Why? Isaac, o de chana for ne mame. Na me koso anya madjuma. Enra me ba ho batment mi enhumo. But this week messing aba. Me jiramu ho pa. Me ne mu a. Ebeba so obrani to betwa ebeba so. Me ya we pa.
Could you believe that last year no ma be new registration?
Yeah.
They can say you call sitting down strike. In Joanna, yeti sempe for no moiti. Bra penny and I say papa obsi adoye. And no mobile. So kwano omba be yama sitting down strike yes wrong. Because of new registration e ba be yen my jomu say so mba be juri so amai. And I can say okay. So mba be juri so amai na ya tuna ya djuma na ya tu aba wie bibia not my kwan na ya fair na ya de bibia be go for na ya djuma. And ya chi omu. And ya djuma e wo mo na commander na wo katamas wo na e din kata no omo be juri. Na mu juri ya no mu juri from barrier opa calypso kakra police calypso kakra ko high tension and omo juri ko do high tension and omo ja from sakia ko be dia ko no omo ja de ngina ye ja me ka de hu be hwese na kwan na ye tisi a e se woni se ka kira o e very dangerous me dia me see e dangerous e ma ho ankasa enye port ma ho ankasa and ye fam ankasa e wo kwan wo so akoye ti se ye anu ye nka Ghana, me do am in Tiasia. Because higher electoral area, I have to Calypso, a whole mutu about. Ombe be beyond the Trodia, Ombe, Ghana Cadia, Haya, Ombe, one way sure, as I want to say a catch now. Car make it make Takia money, small one. Now, send a quite nice yes, it's young to be poor paso. One I say ye. I say last 2 years, I did a strike. And you did let a commander. And so we you come to one in a shama and I began to name your boom. Say a strike. Oh, we your Muslim Brema strike. And a giant. And the Rebecca said, sitting down, striking Susua. Almost did the letter on here.
Rashford, what do you fancy? Now, we'll pay 207 grand so. Now, articulate as a Kia morning, dear. Morning, no starting anything. Kia morning, as some drink out. Kia morning, morning, none you're good. May that be brave. I ask some more. I wish you are some none at Dahon. Way a simple. ɛyɛ simple asa ti ase nipa nkwa ɛna buntumi ɛmfa back nipa no wu but the akabia said the economy because oh what then you have the men very competent His Excellency ebia me say appointment there and na me fair president bi amba nya appointments harder because we friend nipa no be gina wo nchen akwapa no kwafo no aka ne credentials nyina we are say Ghana for the sentin am de ne co sector we so man to me show ni oh my god eradi yesu Juma fan ba ne nyina na chi no amampani ye wogidie se wo beye ye wogidie pa nti asomdwe nkan bia beye fine me ni kwasi asempa uti adom 106.3 FM be you ano ana me dia bro no amsa a special happy birthday and comma Openi King Peter Gadosi uosuhum Openi King Peter Gadosi uosuhum we if you were ma Tony Teresa Alice ene kafui ho almost ne when you're 78 years daddy asumdwen kan pa Mr. Stephen Opon boy owenum asaman kese happy birthday and come out we if Emilia ene abusuafo ni nyina I'm back for a quick break. We are about Matema East constituency. And then 2 former members of parliament now back. And about that just global representing MPP. From the camp of the NDC. And your general secretary, Greater Accra. And about your Theophilus Tetechai. Hey, you see your general Bako. I'm original secretary, Theophilus Tetechai. I see your general Bako now saying suspension letters and I'm from him. Watch out. I am tight as me makwaba. Bibi aboko there. Ti ha. Ya me ne. Ala put the chai. Ajo bibi aboko, peja microphone ma yiwa, peja microphone no mame. Why? Bibi aboko there.
Ya wo nyame adom bibi aboko.
The bad yasi. Opposition party to say.
Nyame adom bibi aboko.
Mo krem.
Anope insem bia wo kan na menti ase.
Yeah. I was going to go for a quick break about me ban some make I won't see your name. Yes, some make you know better. I just watch HD Plus TV. HD Plus and need the whole project. O to say with you Philly Kadochi experience and a winya HD Plus TV. Unya now the decoder ka ho na fe with them bash and so say wo kwotwa electoral showroom bi omo dia ma Vodafone SEO bia wo energy bia wo mu a enu ne tumi yin your mapa wo mu dipie Vodafone o di oma na di asem Vodafone they say omo rebranding anu adin you can Vodafone and say together we can na just say your mafufro pa na mo de Ghana for mo say Ghana for let's learn more the here see your beko vodafone.com/together we can na just say with them o kanipa ho de ni technology bomo a de ye no e bro adwene nti ase so Adom 10